Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Honda Accord vs Civic Race, which is better. Start by watching our test protocol and safety checks, then focus on launch technique and line choice. I explain why weight, gearing, and driver feel change results, and show consistent runs to reduce variability. Listen for throttle modulation tips, and note which car shines in straights versus corners for practical street or track decisions. We now dig into performance numbers and on-track impressions with clear comparisons. I walk through acceleration charts, gear ratios, and braking zones while describing the sensation behind the wheel. Expect concrete examples of throttle control and corner entry points, plus how suspension tuning affects grip and turn-in. I point out which car benefits more from tire upgrades and which keeps its composure with stock brakes and tires. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more content. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are perfect for holding post-track meals without spills, and they stack neatly in your trunk or pit box. They save time when fueling up between sessions and keep food fresh for the whole day. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Next, I share practical driver tips and simple tuning moves to get faster laps. I explain how small alignment changes and tire choices alter cornering balance, plus the safest way to add power without upsetting handling. I also cover how driver training reduces lap time variance and why consistent inputs let you judge which car truly performs better on track and street.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.